Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix downloading apps stuck on home screen. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue, so guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection, and after that tap on VPN, and you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there isn't connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that go back and then tap on general and then tap on software update, and you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. After that go back and then tap on iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that there is enough storage on your device. Now after that simply go back, and from here guys simply tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. And after that go back and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. After resetting your setting, check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. For that, press and release the volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, do this, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.